In Threads, when you post something, others can reply to it or quote it. If you want to control who can reply or quote your post, you can set that up. In this video, we'll walk you through how to do that in the Threads app. For this, open Threads app. Down here, you'll see your profile button. Tap on it. Once you do, you'll see all your posts. Next to each post, there's a three-dot icon. Tap on those three dots, and you'll see options for who can reply and quote. Tap on that option. By default, it's usually set to anyone, which means anyone can reply or quote your post. If you don't want that, you can choose profiles you follow. If you pick this, only the accounts you follow can reply or quote. There's also another option, mentioned only. With mentioned only, if you've tagged someone in your post, only they can reply or quote it. So, that's how you can easily control who can reply and quote your posts in Threads. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one.